Good morning, class 8. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing great, fine, and good. So that's really great and nice to know. So we are there with this. Your exams are coming in yesterday in your SSC class. Also, I have told you that how to appear for your exams and please study the chapters properly. Okay, anyways, without ado, let's instead of wasting time, let's come back. I hope you guys are all doing fit and fine and good to see you. I mean, it's good that you are seeing me. I am not able to see you, so I get bored a little bit. So this virtual classes is for some time of being it's okay, but virtual classes are very needed. You know, we have to have that one-to-one basis interaction. Otherwise, you don't learn anything. You know. So yesterday I had given a write up to this class. 5 kids I had given a write up, you know, which I liked very much, and I guess I'll share it to you. What has actually school got to do with? Why is the school there? You know, it helps you to recreate. It helps you to learn. It helps you to enjoy. It helps you to make friends. It helps you to know diversity of cultures. It helps you to understand. It helps you to become your own to know your own character, what are the things you like, your dislikes, what people's are, what other children's likes, dislikes. You create friends, you create your best friends, you create your bestest friends. You are a teacher's pet, then you become a naughty guy, you do some naughtiness, you do some good things. So that is all this life is all about. So school is very much needed, you know. It trains you to become a human being, you know. So school is very much important. Virtual learning is okay, fine, we are at home, you know, the disciplinary act just vanishes from your life. Whole life you cannot sit at home and work. If a farmer or an agriculturist say that I'm going to sit at home and work, let's do it on the internet, let's do it on online. Let me see anyone doing it on online. If the designer Masaba Gupta, she is very known to me, the daughter of Nina Gupta and daughter of Sir Vivian Richards, the West Indies cricket captain, ex-captain. So if Masaba Gupta says that she's on Netflix also right now, Masaba. I have known her, I have worked with her. And if she says tomorrow, or if the fashion industry says let's do everything online, who's going to stitch online? How can you stitch? You know, the people who stitch for these designers are very local, normal people. They do the stitching. They do this Zarveri work. They do these designs, you know, they stitch on that cloth and then it goes into the market. It's pressed, it's dyed, it's everything is done and then it comes out. Can a car be made online? Can a farmer plant fruits online? No, it's not possible. Online is not the life. Online is a part of learning. Okay, it's fine, but at a certain point of time you need to interact with people to learn. If you don't go out from your house, if you don't meet people, if you don't understand things, what the hell are we going to do in life? Excuse me for my language, I'm sorry, but I did not use any obscene language or any inaudible language. So it was just, I used the word hell. So what the hell are we going to do in life if we don't meet people, if we don't come to know, if we don't learn? Everything is possible on the net. Mother Google is there, she's going to give everything. But the discipline, the act of living, the act of feeling, that the internet cannot give us. So it's a part of that. So anyways, let's come to Macavity. Macavity was a cat. He never stole online. You know, he was this boss, you know, his swaggered look, he used to go around everywhere, steal, do crime, and people used to not able to catch him. Online stealing you will be caught first. Macavity will be caught first because they'll come to know which system he's using from where, what is his coordinates, what is his GPS movements, his locations they'll get. What bank is he surfing from, what bank is he using from whose money account he's swifting out money. What else can you steal on the net? You can hack into accounts, you can steal money from people's accounts, nothing more than that you can do. Or you can take out some more good information from the countries and give it to the opposite countries. That all you can do nothing else. Swifting money from one place to another is only, you know, fishing money out. That's only the thing on internet, otherwise nothing is there, and rest is all about okay. So That's the cyber crime, as they say. Anyways, so you have to be very careful, photographs, who you share your photographs with, who you are sharing your WhatsApp with, who you're, sometimes what happens, a picture comes to you and it's been forwarded to you and you don't know from where that picture had come to that person, and you forward it to someone and you get into trouble. It happens, It's very dangerous. Cyber is damn tough. And it's not that you know to use it and you're playing, your fingers are very fast in typing and all, but it's quite tough. If you think it's easy, I guess you don't know the actual scenario of it. Anyways, let's come to Macavity, and we are going to do that part where I had left you at this stanza 3. Macavity is a ginger cat. The poet here, Mr. Eliot, is trying to proceed, or rather proceeds, however, to describe the cat by telling us that he's brown in color, very tall, thin body, his eyes are sunken, and eyebrows are deeply lined with, though because he's always in deep thoughts, making those, planning a wreak, atrocities, anywhere, trying to think about his crime. His head is dome-like, round in shape. His coat is dusty, means his fur is always not clean, and his whiskers are long, stiff hair grown near the mouth, are tangled, not combed properly. He's a rough and tough look, because he has no time to come out of his evil thoughts to think about good things. While moving like a snake, he sways, moves his head from side to side. If you have seen Jim Carrey, the way he walks, Jim Carrey, swag, you have to have that swag inside you, the criminal look. His head from side to side, as if in search of some prey. He is also alert that in sleep also he is found awake. Okay. Stanza 4, Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. What does stanza 4 say? Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. For he is a friend and feline shape, a monster in depravity. You may meet him by a street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime's discovered, then Macavity is nowhere. It's not there. Okay. So, in contrast to the explanation, Macavity, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. The poet is trying to praise this guy. Crime also is done in a organized way. Even crime has to be done in an organized way. There is discipline in crime also. The poet says that there is no one like Macavity in his devilishness. He is a fiend, means cruel and unpleasant in the guise of a cat. He is a monster of wickedness. He may be by a street or in a square, plaza, open place, anywhere. But when people come to know about a crime, there he is found nowhere. He just vanishes. That's Macavity. That's what is organized crime. You do a crime and you don't get caught, it's fine. But if you get caught, your crime is not right. Correct? That doesn't mean you do crime, okay? He is outwardly respectable. He is outwardly respectable. They say he cheats at cards. And his footprints are found in any file of Scotland's yards. And when the larder's looted or the jewel case is rifled, or when the milk is missing or another pecks being stifled, Pex is a duck, pecking duck, or the greenhouse glass is broken and the trellis past repair. Hey, there's the wonder of the thing. Macavity is not there. He tells us more about his crimes in this stanza. He says that Macavity is a hypocrite, very clever, cunning, because of his outward expression is respectable. He's very good with people. No trace of his previous criminal record is found in the files of the detective agency like Scotland Yard also. He steals at cards. Several activities of the loot are usually committed. For example, disappearance of the eatables, milk from the cupboards, jewelry thefts at the gunpoint, strangulation, killing, pressing people by the throat, or a small Chinese dog, Pekingese, removed, killed, breaking the greenhouse and the trellis. But it's surprising, Macavity leaves no traces. He's never to be found. He's never to be found anywhere. Okay. That's what he's trying to say. Strangulation of anyone or a dog, or even breaking the greenhouse where plants and all grow, fruits grow, and the trellis, the joint parts of the wood, they make holes, they break open the joints. The trellis was also broken. But surprisingly, Macavity leaves no evidence of the crime behind. There's no evidence. No one can catch. Even the Scotland Yard cannot touch him. I'll come back in the next video.